How often do you find yourself questioning your lifestyle and weight management strategies? It's a query that bubbles up in the minds of many, given the hustle of modern life and the constant influx of health and wellness information. We're here today to delve into the topic of maintaining a healthy lifestyle and body weight. Why is it so important, you ask? Well, the benefits are numerous. Not only does it keep you physically fit and energetic, but it also wards off numerous health conditions and diseases. It enhances your mental well-being, boosts your self-esteem, and improves your overall quality of life. It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. And the best part? It's completely within your control. All it takes is a bit of knowledge, commitment, and a few lifestyle tweaks. Today we will explore 10 tips that can aid you in maintaining a healthy lifestyle and body weight. The first tip is to maintain a balanced diet. Now, what exactly does a balanced diet mean? Picture a plate divided into 4 sections. 2 sections should be filled with fruits and vegetables, one with grains, preferably whole, and the final one with proteins. This is an example of a balanced diet, a diet that includes a mix of different food groups in the right proportions. Fruits and vegetables are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fibers. Grains provide us with energy, while proteins help in growth and repair. Fats and sugars should be consumed sparingly, as they are high in energy, but low in nutrients. A balanced diet is not just about eating the right foods, but also maintaining the right balance between the energy you take in from food and the energy you use in daily life. This balance is crucial in maintaining a healthy lifestyle and weight. Remember, your body needs a variety of nutrients to function optimally. The second tip is to engage in regular exercise. Now, exercise is a key player in maintaining a healthy lifestyle and body weight. It aids in burning off those extra calories that diet alone might not touch. But that's not all. Exercise, particularly aerobic activities, boosts your heart health, reducing the risk of heart diseases. It's like giving your heart a workout. Moreover, regular exercise can strengthen your bones and muscles. As we age, we naturally lose muscle mass and function, but consistent exercise can slow down this process. And don't forget about the mental health benefits. Exercise releases endorphins, the body's natural mood elevators. It can help reduce stress, improve sleep, and even boost self-esteem. Plus, it's a great way to break away from the daily routine and spend some time with yourself. Incorporating exercise into your routine doesn't have to be daunting. Start small, and gradually increase intensity and duration. Regular exercise can do wonders not just for your body but also for your mind. The third tip is to ensure you get enough sleep. Sleep, often overlooked, is a vital pillar of health and plays a key role in maintaining a healthy body weight. When you're well rested, your body functions optimally, and your metabolism works at its best. On the flip side, when you skimp on sleep, you may find yourself reaching for that extra snack, thanks to the hunger hormone ghrelin, which increases with sleep deprivation. Moreover, lack of sleep can lead to a decrease in the hormone leptin, which signals satiety. This imbalance can lead to weight gain and other health issues like diabetes and heart disease. Sleep deprivation also affects your mood, cognitive function, and overall energy levels, making it harder to stick to healthy habits. Therefore, aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. Remember, sleep is not a luxury, but a necessity. So, don't compromise on your sleep. It's as crucial to your health as diet and exercise. Tip number 4. Staying hydrated is key. Hydration is the foundation of any healthy lifestyle. Every cell, tissue, and organ in our body needs water to work efficiently. When we're well hydrated, our bodies can carry out all its functions smoothly, including digestion and metabolism, which are crucial for maintaining a healthy weight. Drinking water can also aid in weight management by making you feel full, which can help reduce overeating. It's like a natural appetite suppressant that also keeps your body functioning at its best. Not to mention, staying hydrated can increase your energy levels and improve your overall mood. One way to know if you're drinking enough water is to check your urine. If it's light in color, you're probably drinking enough. If it's dark, you may need to drink more water. Remember, the amount of water needed can vary based on your age, gender, activity level, and overall health. So, keep that water bottle handy and stay hydrated. Moving on to tip number 5, managing your stress. Stress is often an overlooked factor in maintaining a healthy lifestyle and body weight. When under stress, our bodies produce a hormone called cortisol. Now, cortisol can trigger cravings for sugary, fatty foods, leading to weight gain over time. But don't panic. There are plenty of ways to manage stress effectively. One proven method is regular exercise. It not only keeps your body fit but also releases endorphins, your body's natural mood elevators. Meditation and mindfulness are also powerful tools. They help you stay present, reducing feelings of anxiety and stress. And let's not forget about the power of a good laugh. Laughter releases a concoction of happy hormones that can help lower levels of stress. So, next time you feel overwhelmed, remember to take a moment to breathe, laugh, and be present. Remember, a healthy mind contributes to a healthy body. Tip number 6, regular health checkups. It's like taking your car in for routine maintenance to keep it running smoothly. Our bodies, much like machines, require regular tune-ups to ensure everything is functioning as it should. With regular health checkups, doctors can catch potential health issues early before they become major problems. These checkups generally include a variety of tests and screenings, from blood pressure measurements to blood tests, that can help identify risk factors and problems before they start. They provide a complete picture of your health status, helping to spot trends or early warning signs. Moreover, these visits are an opportunity to discuss with your doctor any concerns or questions you may have about your health. They're also a chance to update vaccinations and boost your prevention strategies. So, don't wait until you're feeling unwell to see a doctor. Make regular health checkups a part of your lifestyle. Your health is your wealth. Regular checkups are a good investment. Tip number 7, limit your alcohol intake. Picture your body as a finely tuned machine. Now imagine what happens when you pour a can of soda into a car's gas tank. That's similar to what excessive alcohol does to your body. It disrupts the smooth running of your system, leading to a plethora of health issues such as liver disease, heart problems, and weight gain. When you consume alcohol, your body prioritizes metabolizing it over burning fat and calories. This can lead to weight gain and a slower metabolism over time. Not to mention, alcohol often comes with hidden calories, contributing to an increased daily caloric intake. But here's the good news. By limiting your alcohol intake, you can avoid these health issues, maintain a healthy weight, and keep your body running smoothly. This isn't to say you need to cut alcohol entirely. Like many things in life, moderation is the key. So, the next time you reach for that glass, remember to do so sparingly. Remember, moderation is the key when it comes to alcohol. Tip number 8, quit smoking. Smoking is not just a bad habit, it's a health hazard. It's a known fact that smoking can lead to a host of health issues, including heart disease, lung cancer, and even type 2 diabetes. It also hinders your body's ability to metabolize nutrients, which can lead to weight gain or difficulty in losing weight. However, the good news is, it's never too late to quit. The moment you stop smoking, your body begins to repair itself. Your lung function improves, your heart rate drops, and your blood circulation gets better. Over time, quitting smoking can also help you manage your weight better, as your body will be able to process nutrients more efficiently. So, if you're a smoker and want to live a healthier life, it's time to put out that cigarette for good. Remember, every step towards quitting is a step towards a healthier you. Quitting smoking is one of the best things you can do for your health. Tip number 9, get regular physical checkups. A proactive approach to health is always beneficial, and regular physical checkups are integral to that strategy. These checkups are like routine maintenance for your body, ensuring everything is functioning as it should. Regular physical checkups can help detect potential health issues before they become serious. Think of it as an early warning system, allowing you to address minor problems before they escalate. They provide valuable insights into your overall health status, including blood pressure, cholesterol levels, blood sugar, and more. These checkups also offer an opportunity to discuss any health concerns or unusual symptoms with your healthcare provider. The information gathered during these visits can guide your lifestyle choices, helping you maintain a healthy weight and overall well-being. Remember, prevention is better than cure. By staying on top of your health, you are less likely to face unexpected health issues down the line. Your health is your wealth. Regular checkups are a good investment. And finally, tip number 10, maintain a positive attitude. This might sound a bit abstract compared to the other tips, but it's just as important. Having a positive attitude can be a powerful tool in maintaining a healthy lifestyle and weight. You see, when we approach our health and weight management with positivity, we're more likely to stick to our healthy habits. It's not about being unrealistically optimistic, rather it's about being resilient, believing in our capacity to make healthy choices and overcome challenges. When you view your health journey as an opportunity rather than an obligation, you'll find it easier to make healthier choices, and less likely to give in to negative behaviors like emotional eating or skipping workouts. Remember, the road to a healthy lifestyle isn't always smooth, but a positive attitude can help you navigate the bumps and keep moving forward. So embrace positivity as your ally in this journey to a healthier you. Stay positive, stay healthy. There you have it, 10 effective tips for maintaining a healthy lifestyle and body weight. Let's recap, shall we? Start with a balanced diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. Add regular exercise to your routine, be it a brisk walk or a high-intensity workout. Make sure you're getting enough sleep each night, and remember to hydrate throughout the day. Manage your stress levels through mindfulness techniques or hobbies that bring you joy. Keep up with your regular health checkups, and don't forget to limit your alcohol intake. If you're a smoker, consider quitting for the sake of your health. Regular physical checkups are crucial to catch any potential issues early. And lastly, maintain a positive attitude in all aspects of your life. Implementing these tips won't only help you maintain a healthy body weight, but also improve your overall well-being. Remember, a healthy lifestyle isn't a destination, it's a journey. Start yours today.